Hello once again, guys. This is Ryan from the Investing Simple YouTube channel, and in this video today we're going to be talking about the free stock promotion being offered by the commission-free trading app known as Public. Now, Public has made an exclusive offer with Investing Simple and my YouTube channel, so in order to get this promotion, you do have to use my affiliate link down below, otherwise you may not get the same exact value of the stock slice that they offer you. So if you want to get this $10 promotion, you do have to use my link down below. Now, all you have to do to get this free $10 stock slice is open up an account with Public, and then you're going to look for a red bubble with a gift, which is going to be a free $10 stock slice, and you have 9 different companies that you can potentially choose from. Now, that is the whole premise of Public, is you're able to buy slices of large companies rather than buying an entire share of stocks that are often $100 or more per share, or even over $1,000 per share. So there's 9 different popular stocks where you can choose a free $10 slice once you open up an account with them using my link below. Now, these brokerages are changing their free promotions all the time, and this is current as of this video being uploaded, but if you're looking for the most current Public free stock promotion, your best bet is to jump over to Google and type in Public free stock, look for Investing Simple, and click on our website, because we're going to update our article over there every time that Public changes their free stock promotion. So anyways, guys, there you have it. That is the most up-to-date and current promotion going on with Public. If you want to get that free $10 stock slice, that link is down below. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for future notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.